What? Hear me, no, man. Of the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You know it go already. When I come to represent a full effecting man, you know it go. When me load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man.
What's up, big man?
Respect. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Aim no nation people.
Do your thing.
Alright, moment, good. Hear me now, man. Right now, you know, I represent on that three king thing that the bounty killer said. I go give out three king. Him a reward three king at sunfest. Where him a say a cartel, Movado, I'm busy signal. Right now, you know, people, nation people, I don't know how this look to you. I find this very contrary. I find a king thing here, I get too much from people head right now. Till like say everybody a king. Well, here I go. Every man a king in them own rights, my brother. But in a dance hall, we the people give the kingship. You know what I mean? So if sunfest, if any king I go award a sunfest, a office sunfest themselves, a crone vybz kartel, the king of dance hall. You hear that? No lollipop thing that in it and no gimmicks thing that in it. Movado, no busy signal, never get no crowning and no king from dancehall universe. You hear that? No joke thing that about it. Bunty can't take it up on himself and say him a crown them king of dancehall. He would have to go crown them as his king. Where him see it as him personal stuff. But not for dancehall. No lollipop thing that in it, no gimmicks thing that in it. Whether killer have the order of distinction or not, him cannot do that. You see what I say? No games thing that they about it. Yo, listen to what I say. Everything did going on fine in a dance hall. The youth them had sing about chop, guzo, power up, all type of shit. You see what I say? And nobody wasn't taking them on because the youth them were leading them on merry dance. You see what I say? Not until cartel forward from out of prison, dancehall turn upside it down. People from Freedom Street down, you know, just be a catastrophe, you know. You not see that? From Freedom Street down, and them see the type of loud explosion we go on in the country because the DJ broke the Caribbean record. You see what I say? And it come like people can't believe. Yo, nobody know if fret upon them legacy, you know, my brother. Everybody know whatever artist do in a dance hall or what them bring to dance hall, you know. Listen to me good. Then, Movado, you know, get the chance, you know, for run the place, you know, certain way, you know. Remember, Movado get signed with DJ Khaled and a par with Young Money, you know. You talk about the likes of Loco, you know, Jake and Nicki Minaj and all them shit there, you know. Nothing really to come out of that, you know, my brother. Yeah, that I want to know, you know. And from behind the bars, vybz kartel sell gold and silver record, you know. So nothing supposed to dispute nor a join on with the man kingship right now, you know. The man them things supposed to single out, you know. We don't say them man a good artist, respect. We don't say them man a good artist, but you can't crown them with vybz kartel. A joke thing that, my brother. Give Vybz Kartel a moment at 13 years the DJ spent in a prison and forward out now and I get there and I get all the recognition from the international country them where everybody did been expect and I say well then I true him end up a prison why them thing they not go on so now them thing they are forward give the G him moment now give the G him time at the G moment at the G time the whole of them did out both busy and Movado if them did want tough up them career like that them should have put in the work for that not like them not put in work but them get the achievement where them do after where people acknowledge my brother not just gonna jump up a Vybz Kartel moment this a Vybz Kartel time me not think it's supposed to add on with nobody on my brother a lollipop thing that you see what I say no joke thing that my virgin you see what I deal with yeah no Tree King can't get award at sunfest you see what I deal with because you know that at my man I go burn out sunfest to the fullest because sunfest I feed them show them not supposed to allow that you see what I deal with no joke thing that in it now, no gimmicks thing that in everybody can just take up themselves in a dance hall and attack about king all of a sudden. So what am to we the people? What am to the people them who put the man them which part them dead in a dance hall? Them now no vice. The people them say Vybz Kartel are the king. What the problem now, my brother? Everybody are king all of a sudden. Dog, you know no man in a dance hall will impact the genre like Vybz Kartel. None. Dancehall have never witnessed such impact yet. You see what I say? No joke thing in it, you know. No gimmicks thing that in it, you know. The impact what the G have, you forgot to talk about Michael Jackson, Bob Marley. Or them type of impact that the G have in a dancehall. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing that they about it, no lollipop thing that they the way how I represent. You see what I did? Killa supposed to say, well then, him birth 3 big giant artists in a dancehall, but you know birth 3 king Maji. You see me? A one king there and a Vybz Kartel. And all of this king shit for fucking stop, my brother. Because when Beanie Man them I say them are the king, nobody at all never contest him. Now nobody never want to be the king with him. You see what I say? But all of a sudden now Vybz Kartel come out, the people them I say, yo, the king of dancehall, every bumbuckler body want to be king. Come on, man. A lollipop thing that dog, I not agree with that killer. Give Vybz Kartel a moment, my brother. A theme moment, a theme time this, my brother. At 13 years, the G there behind the bars. All of who you say you're going to name king, them get them fear chants. You know what I mean? For light up the place to a capacity where people have to say, well then, yo, them a king or them are that. You know what I mean? We agree, I your son them. Just say your birth 3 big giant in a dance hall and everybody know that acceptable. But when you say your birth 3 king and then you say you go a sunfest, go crown the 3 of them, dog, I don't respect that. You see what I say? Yeah, I don't rate that. The man them can't hang on from Vybz Kartel hype, my brother. I say from Freedom Street down to Blood Clot, I just be a catastrophe every day. Dancehall it big and boring until the G forward out of the penitentiary. You see what I say? When I'm an orange kerchief, all different type of fuckery. You see what I deal with? No, a kingship. Everybody a king now. So what you gonna say? Because if you not gonna say more father, you know, good. If you not say more father, you know, I'm busy signal, you know, a king, you know. So what you gonna say about Idona then? What Idona must say about himself now? What Idona assassin and them man they must say about themselves now. Come on, man, I don't like that thing there, you hear me? Killer, the man them can't itch on Vybz Kartel hype. I your son them. But come on. Vybz Kartel moment. It's time now. You see what I say after 13 years. Just slow make him enjoy it and soak it up, my virgin. No gimmicks thing no dead about it, no lollipop thing no inna it the way how me I represent. You don't know a Gaza way. They ain't no other way. Listen to me no man. Yo, you don't know the general, the 10-star one I represent. represent. Big up FME, Federal Music Entertainment, Federal Gaza. Big up the whole of Rosetown, Denantown, Trenchtown, the whole of Jonestown, Arnett Garden, Rima, Jungle, Tivoli Garden. You know the badness going on Waterford. The world boss touch the road and they clip them load. Here, I'm a nation people, at the general, the 10 star one I represent. And you know I represent Gaza way. There ain't no other way. What? Nation people. Hear me, man. Hey. Whoa.